Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Today I will show you how to make Thanksgiving turkey out of vegetables. Yes, guys, out of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so are you guys excited? Let's go!
And so guys, we need these items or ingredients in order for us to make a Thanksgiving turkey out of vegetables and fruits. Okay, of course you need to have a platter. Okay, the color is Thanksgiving fall color. Alright, kiwi fruits, lettuce, and of course for the eyes of the turkey I used cheese, and on the top of it for the eye is the black pepper. And for the fruits and vegetables, we need tomato. I already made a shape for turkey's feet. So this one is out of tomato, kernel corn, cucumber, sliced pineapple, tangerine, and carrots.
Okay, so guys, let us start. We have already the platter. I already put the lettuce as the turkey's feathers. You just spread it out, and then we place the the head of the turkey, which is the kiwi fruits, and the nose and the eyes, which is the cheese. And then we'll just put all over here to make it look like a turkey. Okay, so we put first the feet here of the turkey, like that, and then we'll just put here. Bear with me, guys. This is my first time to do this. Don't you know that you can make something out of your kitchen, whatever in your kitchen? So if you guys always love to eat fruits and vegetable salads, you can do it in seasonal way. Like for example, this season, this time is Thanksgiving, so you can make a turkey for those who are making a diet. For those who are vegetarian, no need to buy expensive turkey. Okay, and then you just need to organize. And let's see what will be the outcome of this. Right? Then you just need to alternate the color to make it colorful. Just need to organize all this, put it here. Because only this, by this alone and the lettuce, it looks like turkey already. Okay. There you go. Then pineapple. It's up to you guys to the sequence of the fruits, whatever you like. But for me, this is the one that I like. So, oh, it doesn't look like. And then the tomato. And this kernel corn, just put it here.
it, guys. That's it for our vegetables and fruits Thanksgiving turkey. Alright, as easy as that. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.